All right, guys, I just pulled up to Diamond C HQ. We're here today to check out the fully redesigned DET tilt trailer. Let's check one out. Let's kick the tires on this newly redesigned deck over tilt from Diamond C. He did it! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the virtual tire kicker series. It's Leroy with Happy Trailers, and I've got Cade with me today at Diamond C. We're looking at a newly updated DET model deck over tilt. What's new about this thing, Cade?
Well, some of the new things on this deck over tilt is going to be the engineered neck. This used to have a structural neck, and now it has changed to match more of our product line, which is the engineered neck.
Definitely.
Another thing that's really sweet on this, you can see, is the new badging. Man, it pops on that lime green.
This is probably my favorite little update. It's just so clean.
Another thing that this particular one has is a solar panel. That's something that you can add as an additional upgrade because you can build your own trailer on our website. That's just one of the options. Another option that you can add on our website are these hydraulic jacks. When you're configuring it, definitely something to consider.
I love just pushing a button to bring this thing up and down. That's too easy.
Yeah, we just put it in action, it's sweet.
Exactly.
Another thing on this DET that's new, the steps actually come out standard. This is something that you can just pull up and store away, similar to a lot of our other models, just like a F-Max, right? So you can put this and store it away so that it's not getting bent as you're going in and out of different job sites. So with this trailer, you have several different tilt options. So this particular one is configured with a stationary deck. This is a new for our redesign. We haven't done this in the past, but we now offer stationary deck with our DETs.
That's nice. Like this one specifically, we're looking at a 24-foot model. Yeah. So I've got 20-foot tilt deck space and then 4 foot of stationary here.
Yeah, exactly. And it can be configured up to 6 foot in length, just depending on how long your trailer is.
Very nice.
We also offer it in a full length 30 foot now. As a full bed tilt. That's something that we haven't offered in the past, but we do offer that as part of the new redesign.
I like that. Having some stationary deck up here for everybody that's doing construction stuff is so nice. This is where the attachments are gonna go, and then you can load up in the back.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yeah, and you can, like I said, that's why you just build it out to whatever your needs are and whatever you're hauling. Another thing that's really important on this trailer that we don't talk about enough, it's standard at Diamond C, but we don't really cover it a lot because it has been standard for a while, is our DM coating. It really stands out today because of the lime green, but the 5-step process that we use on these trailers to put the DM, which is difference maker coating system, really is a difference maker.
Yes, absolutely. Plus all the different color options, even as specific as a color code, you can really customize your trailer with the DM coating system.
Yeah, and you can make it look as nice as this lime green one does. The next thing that we're going to look at as we're here is our engineered beam. This is something that's new to this trailer. Any configuration, 7K, 8K, this particular one is an 8K, all come with engineered beam now.
It's going to become harder and harder to find a Diamond C that doesn't have an engineered frame, isn't it?
That's true, it is.
I like that.
One of the next things that I want to show you that's pretty cool about this new design is we have this extra storage space for the housing of the actual tilt process, right? So we have it all contained right here in this one box. So what that does for you is frees up extra storage space, okay? So
since everything is now in this toolbox here on the driver's side, you're saying there's nothing in the front toolbox.
Exactly.
Nice.
So now you have all of this extra space freed up that I could almost fit in. Not quite all the way, but almost. You can see the spare tire rod that we have right here. This is the way that you get the spare tire winch down, and this is something that we'll show a little bit more once we get this thing raised out.
So much room for activities.
Look at all this floor space. So many activities.
Another thing that I kind of grabbed out of that box when we were looking at it is the remote control. This is a great way to be able to control the way that the trailer tilts, and you can do it from inside. Let's say you drive a tractor up there, you'll be able to do it without having to step down and do it. You can do it from the nice seat of your cabin.
There you go. I like that. You don't have to open the toolbox at all to function this trailer.
Absolutely.
There you go, fully wireless.
So one of the things that comes standard with this trailer is our lippered slipper roller suspension. This is a suspension that we put on our 7 and 8K axles that we really do feel like sets us apart with the 7 and 8K axles.
It really is a game changer. There's so much more longevity here with the slipper roller suspension. So big A+ on that one.
Awesome. And then one of the last things that I want to show you that comes standard on this trailer is, like you've seen with some of our other videos, the new modular wiring harness system. So it comes standard with the reverse lights, and that is one of the quick indicators that you can look at for some of our newer trailers to see if it does have the modular wiring system.
I love it. And it's plug and play. It's a win-win.
Absolutely. Well, you want to see it in action?
Let's pick it up. All right, checking it out underneath a little bit. You've got the twin 3-inch cylinders here. You've got the I-beam cross members. Here is your lock system to lock in that tilt bed and lock in right here. Really clean design. Hydraulics fully here in this toolbox, and it's a bolt-on toolbox, so you can replace it if you mess it up. Looking at these cross members here, you've got spacing of 16 inches. Thanks for kicking the tires with us. Let us know what you think. Cade, thanks for showing me around the newly updated DET model.
Absolutely, appreciate you being here.
We'll see you guys for the next one.